to upload that. Okay.
Send the intro.
Yo, what up, Nuggeters? It's me, back with another, I hope, short video, but I don't know, there's a mosquito on me and I just killed it. Yo, watch me just hit this kid. You ready? I'm not complaining. I like laughing like that. Is that a sticker in my car?
Can I try?
Potato cake. Your toe.
Can I try?
First, let me show him how fast this is.
Not,
Yeah, look
not that fast, really.
Yeah, look how fast it is.
Yeah, so fast.
Yeah.
That's just the slow speed. That's just the slow speed.
Yeah. This is McDonald's Wi-Fi.
This
This is a McDonald's Wi-Fi car
Okay.
right now.
Now go to medium speed.
Oh! It's a car. It's a car.
He did a wheelie. What is that? Medium speed?
And the car's dying. So here you go. Come on.
Green.
Green bean. Yo, do you see that little tiny hop? I just realized the camera on this is really sucky. Yo, look at that house. You're gonna kill the battery. You better not hit a tree.
Oh no!
Get away from the
I
mountain.
almost hit a tree.
I'll snap your neck if you do.
It's alive.
Yep. Yep. My battery is now laying on the ground. My battery is now laying on the ground. Bro, my battery. Bro, my battery.
Just to get out of the car.
Bro, how did the battery just pop out? I lost it.
Look at this car. Just look at the car.
Uh-huh.
Look at this. This is above it. So how is it gonna come out?
Look, below there. Bro, we gotta find that clip.
Oh.
Bro, I just see the battery get yeeted out of it. It just goes, what? I was wondering why there's a big battery in the front.
No.
Dude, and probably in your head, you're probably like, why is the car not driving?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's a battery right there.
That was exactly like me.
Yeah, so, battery fell out. This car sounds like it's having a seizure.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah! We're making YouTube video!
Who said that? Who is that?
I don't know.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah. But, yeah, also this kid's 11. Yeah, but he looks like 4'2". Yeah, but, Is that Kelly? Yeah, I don't
We're
know.
about to run.
Yeah,
Over a
but,
toe.
yeah, I
First we
wonder why it stopped working, Ronan. The battery!
Oh, oops.
Look,
Oh,
where did the pin go? I'm gonna go look for the pin. I will go on the road and commit suicide. Wait, one. Where did it fall? I have like 100 more pins. Yeah, how random is that, guy? It just, the battery's just laying right there. By this dumb. Well, now we can't drive the car because we lost the pin.
how do we lose a pin?
I have like 400 more, Ronan. Okay, let me just go inside real quick. Yeah,
Come inside, come on.
Alright. Me and Ronan. Okay, I'll tell you a story in a good sec. Did you get the remote, Dad? I mean, not Dad. You, Ronan?
That's everything.
Even the battery!
Yes.
Alright, bye, YouTube.